Hello, it's Jim from JetsonHacks.com. On today's show, we are going to install an Intel Wi-Fi and Bluetooth card into our NVIDIA Jetson Nano developer kit. Let's get started. Here's our Intel dual band wireless card. It is an 8265NGW. It's 802.11ac. Let's open up the package. Pop, pop, pop. We're going to use these U.FL antennas. They're film antennas. If you're familiar with Jetsons, you've seen these before. These are RP types of antennas. SMA connector, U.FL on the other side. They provide about 6 dBi boost. For my little project, I'm going to use a film antenna. They provide about 3.3 dBi of boost. Let's open up the package. They have little protectors over the plugs. Remove those. And now we're ready to install them. Let's take a close-up. There are 2 U.FL connectors here, one there and one there. It can be a little challenging to attach the antennas. You can see the underside of the connector. Basically, you take it, press it down on the connector itself. I found that swearing helps. And there's the antennas. Let's go insert the card into the Nano. The Jetson Nano module is held in place by 2 screws, here and here. Let's remove those screws. These are number 1 Phillips head screws. There are 2 clips which capture the module, one on either side. When we release the clips, the module pops up. And now we can remove the module. Here's what the bottom of the card looks like. Here's the SD card reader. Put that aside for the moment. Now we have exposed the M2 key E header. Let's remove this retaining screw. It is a Phillips head number 2. And now we can install our wireless card. Let's take our card with the antennas attached. We'll insert the card into the connector at a slight angle. Make sure the card seats. We'll put in our little retaining screw. And now we're ready to reinstall the module. Let's route our little antennas over here. We'll insert this at a little angle also. We'll press it down and make sure the tabs grab it. And reinstall the screws. Installation complete. There is adhesive on the underside of this antenna. So all you have to do is remove this little white protective strip and attach it to wherever you want to attach it. Let's go over to the desk, hook everything up, and switch over to a screencast. Okay, we're over here on our desk. The Jetson is all hooked up. We have a keyboard, mouse, HDMI monitor, and the power. J48 is jumped. Let's connect to our Wi-Fi network. Kangaboxer. Connect. You can see that we're now connected. Let's open up a browser. So it looks like our wireless works. We have our little YouTube video playing here. Not quite sure how you go about showing a demo of the wireless working. Let's do a quick speed test. I don't have a fast enough internet connection to test it actually. Go. $30 down, 3 up, that's about the speed of my cable modem. Let's hook up a Bluetooth device. I have a PS4 controller here. Let's pair it with the Jetson. Let's put it into pairing mode. We hold down the share button and the PlayStation button. It starts blinking when it goes into pairing mode. And it's ready to go. Let's quit out of this, open up a terminal. Let's load up a graphical tester for the game controller. Okay, now when I move the sticks, we should see some action. The buttons. Move the triggers. If you're a maker, this is an easy way to get input into your programs. You can get buttons just to get on and off values. But the joysticks and the triggers also give you a variable input, which you can map to different values. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.